Born from Porsche's legacy of blending utility with performance, the 2025 Cayenne GTS inherits upgrades from its Turbo GT sibling, promising an unparalleled driving experience. Powered by a revamped twin-turbo V-8 engine, delivering 493 GP and 487 lb-ft of torque, the Cayenne GTS sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds. Its advanced air suspension system and rear axle torque vectoring ensure precise handling on any road. Visually, the GTS commands attention with unique design elements, including bold GTSS emblems and a distinctive front bumper. Inside, race-tech seats and a curved digital dashboard create a luxurious and immersive driving environment. For enthusiasts craving customization, 3 lightweight sport packages are available, shedding up to 55 pounds. Arriving this fall, the 2025 Porsche Cayenne GTS starts at $126,895 for the SUV and $131,495 for the Coupe. Prepare to experience the pinnacle of Porsche performance and luxury.